Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeArc. And before we start I wanna show you that I customize one gesture. So I changed the left earbud for the triple tap. And that's all. Let's test it. You can play and pause the song, but firstly we need to play some song. Here we go. You can play and pause the song by pressing 2 times on your left or right earbud. 1, 2, and I just pause the song, 1, 2, and I play a song. To play a next track you need to press 3 times on your right earbud. 1, 2, 3. And to play previous track you need to press 3 times on your left earbud. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Also, if you want to increase the volume, you need to swipe forward. And as you can see, I just increase it. It's the same with the right earbud. And to lower the volume, swipe backwards. And as you can see, it also works. Here we go. And the last one what we have is press and hold. So if you press and hold on your left or right earbud, you will call voice assistant. I have a Siri, so I will call I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. And so it works also. If you press 2 times, when someone calls to you, if you press 2 times on your left or right earbud, you will answer the call, and if you press and hold, you will reject the call. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!